Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel. The Sony A7 series has always been at the heart of innovation in the mirrorless camera world. From the groundbreaking A7 III, often called the basic model that was anything but basic, to the A7IV, with its refined 33-megapixel sensor and advanced hybrid features, Sony has consistently redefined what creators can expect from a full-frame mirrorless system. Now, anticipation is building for the next leap in the lineup, the Sony A7V. This upcoming camera isn't just another incremental update. According to multiple leaks and trusted industry insiders, it could be the most advanced, all-rounder full-frame camera Sony has ever released. Imagine this: a new 44-megapixel sensor, blending high-resolution stills with professional-grade video. Add to that an AI-powered processing chip similar to what we've seen in Sony's flagship A1 II, designed to push autofocus and subject recognition into a whole new era. Pair that with 20 frames per second burst shooting, 4K at 120 FPS, without crop and improved thermal management, and you begin to see why the A7V is already being called a baby A1 II, but beyond the specs. What makes the A7V so exciting is what it represents: a camera that could bridge the gap between professional photographers, filmmakers, and hybrid creators who demand speed, detail, and reliability in one package. If rumors prove true, Sony is about to shake up the mirrorless market once again, positioning the A7V as a serious challenger to rivals like the Canon EOS R5 Mark II, Nikon Z8, and Panasonic's Lumix S series. In today's deep dive, we'll explore everything we know so far about the Sony A7V, from early leaks and rumored specifications to its most talked about features, expected release timeline, and projected price. By the end of this breakdown, you'll know exactly why the Sony A7V is being hyped as one of the most anticipated hybrid cameras of 2025-2026. Sony A7V rumors, leaks, and what to expect. Sony's A7 series has long been a versatile, hybrid full-frame mirrorless line balancing stills and video. The current iteration, A7 IV, launched in late 2021 with a 33MP sensor and strong video capabilities. Expectations are high for the A7V, anticipated as a major leap forward. Rumored specifications: sensor 44MP, full-frame non-stacked, burst shooting up to 20 FPS video, recording 4K at 120 FPS, uncropped AI processing chip for enhanced autofocus, subject recognition, auto-framing EVF, and body design matches flagship A1 to ergonomics and screen. Improved EVF heat and thermal management enhanced for longer recording sessions, stability and build, upgraded build quality, weather sealing. Earlier rumors mentioned other sensor resolutions like 33MP or 42MP, but more recent consensus leans toward 44MP.10. Rumored features: 1. 44MP. Full-frame sensor non-stacked. 2. 20 FPS continuous burst shooting. 3. 4K video at 120 FPS without crop. 4. AI chipset for subject detection, auto-framing, smarter autofocus. 5. A 1.2 style body and screen, premium ergonomics. 6. Enhanced EVF with likely higher resolution and refresh. 7. Improved thermal performance for extended video recording. Robust build with better weather sealing. 9. Hybrid performance, excelling at both stills and video. Sure, competitive pricing under Mayben Sen. Rumors suggested a launch between January and March, and shipping within Q1 2025. However, subsequent leaks indicate delays, possible showing by end of 2025 and shipping in 2026. Contingent on supply chain resolution. A leak specifically mentions early 2026 release. Estimated price: $3,460, aligning with the A7 IV's launch but higher than current street value. Expect an announcement possibly in late 2025, with availability in early 2026 at a sub $3,000 to mid $3,000 price point. Though nothing is confirmed, if the rumors hold true, The A7V could redefine Sony's hybrid mirrorless segment, blending flagship-level features in a relatively accessible package. It's shaping up as a baby A1 II, combining high-resolution imaging, advanced video, and AI enhancements. That said, Sony hasn't officially confirmed anything yet. If you're upgrading now, it may pay to wait, especially if you want the latest in sensor and autofocus tech. What to watch for official announcement dates, Sony's event calendar, or major trade shows. Reliable leaks from established insiders, for example, Sony Alpha rumors, tech radar, camera times, pre-order pricing once revealed, and specs like sensor crop, stabilization, EVF resolution, and battery life. And there you have it, everything we know so far about the upcoming Sony A7V. If the rumors are accurate, this camera could very well become the sweet spot in Sony's lineup. Powerful enough to rival the flagship A1 II in certain aspects, but still priced in a range that makes it far more accessible to creators worldwide. With its 44-megapixel sensor, AI-driven autofocus, 20 FPS burst rate, K4K 120 FPS video, and improved build quality, the A7V looks set to be the perfect companion for photographers and videographers who need versatility without compromise. Of course, as with any unannounced product, we need to temper our excitement with caution. Sony has not officially confirmed the A7V, and release timelines are still in flux, with some leaks pointing to late 2025 and others suggesting early 2026. The only certainty is that competition in the full-frame mirrorless space has never been fiercer, and that means big wins for us, to creators. If you're on the fence about upgrading, the next year could be crucial. Should you wait for the A7V, or should you invest in an A7IV, an A7RV, or even stretch to the A1 II? The answer depends on your workflow. But one thing is clear, the A7V has the potential to redefine the standard for hybrid, mirrorless cameras. What do you think? Will Sony deliver a true game changer? Or will the A7V be an evolution rather than a revolution? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's start the conversation. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to stay ahead of the curve on camera leaks, rumors, and reviews, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications, so you don't miss any of our deep dives into the world of photography and VOD. Thanks for watching. And until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and I'll see you in the next one.